Good day once again, and I believe we are all happy to be back. And I believe as well that we are making progress. Initially, we treated basic laws or facts of indices, then progressing now to a product of indices, which we also call product law. Now, what are we saying? When raising an expression having a power to another power. We told you what power means in that video, that this power, exponent, index, they are all the same. This is a base, this is what? Power. So when raising an expression having a power, this is an expression, it has a what? A power of 4 to another power, then this, keep the same base and multiply the power. So we kept this base, and what do? We multiply the two powers. That's what the law is saying. And you can see our final answer is what? 3 raised to the power of 12. Now, we now have some questions. At the same time, practice question to follow. Simplify the following. You can see this one, question 2, question 3, and 4. We will be doing this in this class, and the students with us, you do this, drop your answer in the comment section as well. Try as much as you can to show your workings. Let's go. The first question here is what? Solution. We can even start here. No, let's manage here. Solution. We have 3m raised to the power 2. Look at this. Now, look, this 3 here, the power is not given, so it is power is just 1 3. That is 3 raised to the power of 1. So you have what? 3 raised to the power of 1 times 3. The m here, m raised to the power of what? 2. We say multiply it with the power outside times 3. Then you therefore have what? 3 raised to the power 3. Then times m raised to the power 2 times 3, 6. So we have what? 3 raised to the power 3, we know it's what? 3 times 3 times that's 27. So we have to say m raised to the power of 6. Second question is what? Minus a square m. Now, note please. Minus times minus from our algebra in grade 9, we know it's what? It is what? Plus. The minus times plus is minus, and vice versa. We have what? Plus times minus is still what? Minus. Then plus times plus is what? Plus. Let's take note, because we'll be applying it here. Now, look at this. When minus, if you have what? Minus raised to the power of even number become plus. Minus raised to the power of what? Even number is equals to what? Plus. Then minus raised to the power of what? Odd number is equal to what? Minus. Good. Let's use this. Minus raised to the power of even number is what? Plus. The minus raised to the power of odd number is minus. Now let's look at this. Minus here is inside the bracket. So since a minus is inside the bracket, a square is inside the bracket, m raised to the power of 4 is also inside the bracket. Since it is inside the bracket, this 4 is affecting it, or it has effect on it. I think the third question, which is not there, I'm going to make third question to be like this. It's going to be like this. Minus a square m raised to the power of 4. We'll now see what this means. Now, this minus is inside bracket, a is bracket, this one is inside, everything inside this bracket is affected by what? The power of 4. Now, so this is what? Minus raised to the power of what? 4. 4 is an even number, so it turns to what? Plus. A squared, that is a raised to the power of what? 2 times what is the power? 4. Then what? How many m do you have here? 1. So we have m raised to the power 1 times what is the outside? 4. Using this particular law. Therefore, we have what? A raised to the power of what? 8 then m raised to power of 4. Now, this one, I just chip it in. Let me say question 2 to my figure 2, so that we fully understand this minus of 18. Now, let's look at it. Here, this minus is outside the bracket before the power. Since the minus is outside the bracket, it means this 4 does not have effect on it. Therefore, our answer will be minus. Then, a raised to power 2, a raised to power 2 and m are inside the bracket, so this 4 has effect on them. So we have what? A raised to power of 2. Since it's the same base, multiply the power times 4. Then times m, what's number of m inside the bracket? This 1 times 4. So we have what? Minus a raised to power 8, then m raised to power 4. We can see effect of negative number here. Minus outside the bracket. Look at it. Minus inside the bracket. Look at it. So please let's try and understand this. It's very simple. Then the third question before us is what? Minus s raised to power of 3. Everything inside bracket. Then minus s raised to power of 4. Look. Here, the minus inside the bracket. X is power of 3 inside the bracket. So the minus is affected by the number outside the power outside the bracket. The power outside the bracket is what? Even number. And we said even minus raised to power of even number is plus. So here we have minus, since it's even number, it turns to what? This minus becomes plus. Now s raised to power of 3 times 2 over what? Now there's no bracket here. All you have is minus s raised to power of what? 4. So we have plus s raised to power of 6 over what? Minus s raised to power of 4. This is what? Division. As the law of what? Indices says that what? A raised to power of a raised to the power of m divided by a raised to power of n is equals to what? A raised to power m minus n. Applying that here, we have plus divided by minus. Hey guys, this plus divided by minus is equals to what? Minus. Is equals to minus. Minus divided by plus is also equals to what? Minus. Then minus divided by minus is plus. Take note. Therefore, plus divided by minus here is what? Minus. The same base dividing each other, we apply this. So we have s raised to power 6 minus 4. That gives us minus s raised to power of 2. That's the next question, which is the last here, is what? Minus a raised to power of 3, everything inside bracket, times a raised to power of 4. Then over what? Minus a raised to power. Good. This is what? A fantastic question. Let's look at it. Take care of this. Minus is inside bracket. A raised to power 3 is inside bracket. Therefore, both of them are affected by this power. Then we said when a power is a negative number minus a negative sign, minus to power of even number is plus. Therefore, this minus turns to what? Plus. A raised to power of 3, then multiplied by the power outside 2, then times a raised to power of what? 4. Now we have, this is negative sign inside bracket, so this power will affect it. I will say what? Negative to the power of even number is plus, then negative to the power of odd number is minus. Therefore, this one will turn to minus because 5 is an odd number. Then a here is what? Is raised to the power of 1, so a times 5. Now we have plus a raised to the power of 6, 3 times 2 is 6, times a raised to the power of 4 over what? Minus a raised to the power of 5. Remember addition law. When same number are multiplying each other, we remember that what? When we have, look, when we have a raised to the power m times a raised to the power n is same as a raised to the power m plus n, isn't it? So a raised to the power 6 times a raised to the power 4 what? A raised to the power 6 plus 4 over minus a raised to the power of 5. Now we have what? A raised to power 10 over minus A raised to power of 5. Remember, plus divided by minus is what? Plus divided by minus is minus. So we have what? We have minus. Now, the same division law, the same base. So we say minus A raised to power of 10 minus 5. Therefore, we have minus A raised to the power of 5. This is our answer. Please don't forget to do the practice question. I have 3 questions here. Do it. Drop your question, your answer in the comment section, and make sure you show your workings, and let's see where we are. In the next video, we're going to what? Give a question that will combine product law and other laws of indices. Thank you. See you in the next video, and bye-bye for now.